Hi, my name is Sophie, and today we'll take you through our all-in-one smart home mini control panel. This all-in-one smart home mini control panel controls almost everything you need. It's an elegant design and offers a range of colors to suit your designer home. Features a unique design with 3 light control buttons and a 3.5-inch touchscreen. View your security cameras or respond to the door intercom. Control a specific curtain or use quick home mode to open all. Dim the lights or change their colors. Supports 110 categories, 200 devices, and stable scene operation. Built-in IR supports all IR devices with classic Revival iPhone 4 size, unique button design, partition control, security alarm, flip clock, and quick control. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now to learn more about our smart home products.